Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today at market close, we have Microsoft delivering some earnings for us here. So right now I'm in Ed's chat room, and he's a real expert at these earning plays, right? So I'm gonna take a little. I'm in a trade right now. Well, it looks like I'm gonna lose this trade, but today is the 26th of July. It's a Tuesday, 2022, and Microsoft released earnings at 4 o'clock. So this was the initial candle right here. Let me pull out my Epic pen, and I gotta be quick on this too, because when you use the Epic pen, you gotta switch over to this to make sure I can hit sell, right? So I'm gonna have my stop probably at 243, so risking $5 right here, and I think my target is gonna be, looking at the level 2 here, I'm thinking probably 254 if we get a push up. So entered here at 248.70, hoping to get back to the highs, probably like 255, 254, somewhere around there. But it's looking like it's gonna pull back on me now. So let's see what it does. And this might be kind of a long video because it's the post market, so things don't really move that quick. I have the US dollar chart right here as well, hoping for the US dollar to pull back a little bit to give that give the stock some room to push up. And let's see. You can't really see too much volume in this kind of trade because it's post market, so there isn't really much volume. We at 97.6k right now on this candle, right smack at break even, well, just below. So let's see what it does. This is my 50-minute chart on the is this I think this is my floor pivots chart. So we have floor pivot S4 right there. That'll create some resistance, and some of this is my targets here, like 246, 244. That's if it was going short, right? So I have some other targets here at the top. I didn't really put the targets at the top, I just wrote it down. So some of my long targets are 253, 252, 252.30, 253.30, 254.30, 255, 255.40. So I think we're getting some nice support here though, like around this area right here, 247.73. And the level 2, let me pull that across. The level 2 is looking a little more stacked to the ass side. You see we have some targets here, 252.24, going up to 255. We have 20 there, 259.49. So maybe it might take some time to materialize, But one thing I'm noticing, it's not really selling off. You see we got the US dollar pulling back there. It's kind of having resistance right here. You see the accumulation distribution line, that's the red dotted dash line right there. So that's creating some resistance. We have yesterday's high right there at 1308. Nice rejection off of the 38% fib line right there. So hopefully we get some relief from the US dollar to let this go bullish. Let's see, the first this red line right here, on the US dollar chart, that's a high volume node at 12994. So that's the first line of support. Then we have the accumulation distribution support line at 12992. So now we're getting a little hammer candle forming here. We got some support here. This is lower VWAP, this line right here, lower VWAP right there. And 248.06, that's a level I drew as well. So that's off the daily chart. We have some levels that I drew as targets. You know, if I took a short that I'd consider these as targets, right? But right now it's a long play, so I'm using probably 243, 242 as my stop out. Let's see what time it is. It's 4:34. We have half an hour before the Forex market, the US session closes, so who knows what the US dollar is gonna do then. And right now the Qs is above VWAP. The SPY is holding above VWAP, so that's looking good. Not sure about if the tick charts keep working after hours, but it's looking like it's above the mean. So hopefully this works out, man. I guess this would be resistance right here, you know what I'm saying? So if we get a break, and this is VWAP right here, so if we get a break above VWAP, we'll be in good shape, I think. So let's see what happens. Let's see what Ed is saying. I hope he doesn't mind that, you know, I put him on my put him on my YouTube video, you know. Let's see.
Was the $1,400 stop, which nobody's gonna play. Only one that broke out over its
See, this is the BBT chat right here.
Probably has more to go.
See, this is where we communicate and exchange ideas and stuff like that. Let's see, we have an alert going off.
Flatline. You had one candle, and then that was that.
Alright, let me mute Ed right now. I don't think he's talking about, let's see what's happening. Diminishing bullish trend on the NQ1. So I gotta be careful with this. The futures bullish trend is kind of coming to an end. That's what it's signifying here on my alerts. So for Microsoft to get a push up right now, not really sure. This is the VIX chart. The VIX is done, so I could close that. Could close Microsoft. Trading View doesn't do anything after hours. So the only thing I got right now is the US dollar to gauge like sentiment and what's going on. So we have the SPY and the Qs breaking out. Let me see if I can bring across that chart right there. So this is the Qs. The Qs is breaking out here. Let's see. This is S6 right here. Hopefully we get above these levels. That'll help Microsoft out. See, Microsoft is moving up there now. About to break this level. Alright, so it's working out. This is my first earnings play, man, so I hope it works out. I don't want to get too jumpy and just jump out the trade, you know. Just because it's in profit a little bit. Right, so we up here at VWAP, getting some rejection here. Same as from this level right here. Let's see what level was that. 250.93. So roughly 251 is like a resistance level. And the reason I took this here was this reversal, you know what I'm saying? I forget what I think it was Japanese candlestick patterns or something like that. This is like you see when you get a reversal candle like this, right? You get some support, then the candle opens within that level, right? So you see it's within the candle structure, right? So we open here, we got a bounce right there, right? Let me make that bigger. We got a bounce right there at the close of this candle, right? And then we pushed up into the structure. Now we could have, if it came back up to view up, that would have been nicer, but you know, we was getting some bullishness, but started getting that wick rejection right there at around 251. So that caused this kind of consolidation right there. And let's see what it does, man. Let's see what it does. Now, I think according to Ed's strategy, if it opened here and continued lower, right, then we would look for the short, you know, but we had a gap up in the open, so with a nice break above lower VWAP, which is this line right here, which is creating some support as well. So I'm kind of liking this support area here, man. I think we're gonna go up. Well, hopefully anyway. Although that's not a good word in trading, you know, you just gotta have your strategies and shit, you know. Let's see, where did my... Hold on. I think I lost my Q's chart. Where are you? Hold on. Alright, so the Q's is pushing up on S6 at around 296. Right now it's at 295.96, so it's looking like we might get some movements, man. Right now we had VWAP here on Microsoft. So if we break above that, that'll look nice for at least we might get to 252. Let's see if Ed is saying anything here. Alright, got somebody saying Microsoft is moving. Rallies 260 possible at 50 SMA daily. Oh boy, Microsoft at 250. Alright, so some people have confidence in it. Let's see, let's unmute Ed and see what he has to say, if he's saying anything. Again, I hope he doesn't mind if I put him on my video, you know. Right, so the Q is now at 296. We just kind of rejected off 296. Microsoft is still beaming up. Let's see. Volume at 109.6, 109K.
The ALU value line says the earnings from the 3 months ending April 30th. Income from operations was 248.8% above the same period in 2021 due to an increase in copyright fees and well-controlled expenses in Q4 of 2022. That's Victor Alcolini uniform.
All right, so that's Benzinga. Looks like Ed isn't really saying much. I don't think he took any trades, so yeah. Shout out to my boy Joe over here. We was in the private chat on Ed's profile, Ed's section. They call it the jungle, you know what I mean? Ed is a little more unorthodox, and I like how Ed talks, man. Ed keeps it real, you know what I'm saying? Ed is kind of raw, so it's similar to how I am, but I kind of tone it down for YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Because YouTube is kind of funny, man. It's like I said something just like a couple minutes ago that I really don't say on YouTube, you know what I mean, because they run checks on your videos and stuff like that. So I try to keep it clean, you know. I try to keep it clean. But in real life, though, I just say what I want to say, you know what I mean? But this is their platform, but, you know, gotta keep it PG-13, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's go back to the US dollar chart and see what's going on. Right, we're getting a little wick support right there at R4. I don't like that. Right, R4 is creating some support. Let's see, Microsoft just defy that and just keep going. Just keep going. Break above VWAP. Oh, we're getting a pullback on the Qs. I don't want to take profit yet, man. I don't want to close this position. This position is looking, the ask is looking nice for like 259, man. 259.50. If I could get that move, that would be nice. Let's see where that is. 259.50. That's up there at previous day close. Could we actually recover all of this, man, and get back to previous day close, which is almost like at the open? So could we recover all of this loss right here today? All of this move down right here? Is that possible, man? Or just take it back to, like, to be conservative, take it back to like 257.46, or maybe even 257, or maybe even like 256.20 at S4. I gotta see, man. I gotta see. There's nothing really on the level 2 at 256 though. Like, take a look at this, right? Take a look at the level 2. This is where people have their targets, right? So look at 256. There's barely anything there. Nobody is looking to take profit right there. People are looking at 259.50. That's 20 is one of the biggest numbers on there. Damn, they got one at 269. That's crazy. If I get that move, that would be crazy, man. From 248 to 269. Damn. If I get that move, I'll start feeling myself too much, man. I'll think I'm a young legend in the making, man. That'll be too much, man. For the first earnings trade, 248.70 to 269. Come on, son. Think you could do that, man? But you know, I was born ready like a lion in the Serengeti, so anything is possible with me, man. It's King Yeda, you know what I'm saying? You're fully confident to make anything happen, man. I taught myself to trade, so anything is possible, man. This is one of the hardest things you could possibly do in life, you know what I'm saying? Probably if I used to study my work in school and stuff like that, I could have been a neurosurgeon or something like that, man. But, you know, life. Just young and wild, you know what I'm saying? So let's see. Let's move this here. How long is this video so far? Where am I supposed to be looking to find how long this video is? Okay. 19 minutes. Alright, so if anybody here with me for 19 minutes, good looking out, man. Good looking out. You really want to learn how to trade, or you're really interested in trading, that's cool. I used to watch hour-long videos, you know what I mean? Because It was something I loved looking at. It was something I was really passionate about learning, you know. So let's see. Go back to the chat. Microsoft breakout 5-minute candle. Get ready. Okay. It's kind of pulling back now. Mr. Raj D. Let's see what happens, man. US dollar determined to break this R4 here, man. If it really breaks that R4, we might really get a nice run up. But now we getting some serious rejection. What's happening on the SPY and the Qs? Still looking good, man. The Qs is at 296.09, still above 296, still above S6. SPY breaking out nice at 392.23. Come on, Microsoft, don't lose it. Don't lose it on me. Oh, we got some volume coming in too at 197K. Come on, don't lose it. Don't sell out. Let's see the level 2 right here. Damn, the level 2 kind of dried up, man. I think, man. I think that's it, man. The level 2 kind of dried up on me, man. The ass side kind of dried up. It might be over, y'all. It might be over. Because I really go short on these kind of candles here, man. Like stuff like this. Damn, I'm taking that short if it breaks that low, you know what I'm saying? Or even if it breaks VWAP right there. Damn, I'm taking that back to the lows, so. Alright, let's see. We got some ass sitting at 253. Let's see if that takes it up to maybe 253 to 254. That's our next target on the L2. We have a next size right up there. Alright, let me pull it across, man. Oh shit. Let me show and prove, not talk about it. Right, so you see we got that target right there, 253. Next one at 254. You know, those are the highlighted in red. Next one, 254.77, then 255.10. And we ain't really got nothing after that. Still got 20 over there, 259.49, but that might be ambitious right now, man. I might have to do this in like 2 parts because where we at now? Let's see. So we at 22 minutes. Okay, so let me cut this video short right here and let's see if we get up to like 255 or something like that. And I might start another video. You know what I'm saying? So far it's successful. I'm not gonna let this pull back on me and be a loss. I'll probably stop out at maybe 249 if it pulls back. Damn, we're getting a little movement here, man. I should let y'all see this a little bit. If we get up to like 254. Alright, let's see. Some volume coming in too, man. It's 172,000. Last one was 277. So if we get some volume, like if we get up to like 300,000 on this move here, this might be working, man. I'm still not liking what this US dollar is doing, man. Too much support here at R4. Let's see. I'm gonna leave it for a couple of minutes again. Let's see if we can hit 254. 248.70 to 254. Let's see if we can hit 254. I'll probably do part 2 of this video. Do like a recap or something like that to show you the outcome of the trade, you know. Let's see what is the Q's doing. Damn, the Q's is booming. It's at 296.23. Okay. SPY is at, it got up to 392.22. I don't know, man. This might work out. Let's see what's the volume here. 424 on a 15-minute. The highest volume right there was 483. Excuse me. Yeah, run up, run up. Make it happen. You see them wicks, man. Look at that wick on that 15-minute. That ass is still sitting there at 53. So the level 2 is still asking for it, man. I think we're gonna go up there. I think we're gonna go up there. Let's see this Q's and SPY chart looking kinda like it wants to pull back, man. Alright, let's do this. Let's see what happens here. Alright, so I'm out at 252 exactly. So from 248.70 to 252. And that was my first earnings play. It was great, you know what I'm saying? Had a nice little run. P&L was sweet today. All green trades. This was cool, man. This was cool. So I'm gonna try this again some other time, you know what I'm saying? This was cool. We're probably gonna get to 253, but I'm not gonna hold this anymore, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna overstay my welcome, because you see wicks like this and this kind of shooting star candles 2 in a row, that's saying something, especially at this level right here. Let's see. See, this is a resistance level right here, right? You gotta be aware of that too. I can't just be greedy and just expect it to go to 253. It already got to 253.42 and rejected hard, so I'm gonna take my winnings from right here, you know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all, it's King Yedeya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. This was my first earnings trade, and it was successful, so give thanks for that. All praises to the Most High, yeah. And y'all trade safe and stay blessed.